इसे समझ नहीं आ रहा था कि क्या कहे।
He wasn't sure what to say. He wasn't sure what to say.
मैंने ट्रैफिक से बचने के लिए एक शॉर्टकट पास किया।
I passed a shortcut to avoid traffic. I passed a shortcut to avoid traffic.
वो आपको छोड़ने वाला नहीं है।
He will not let you be. He will not let you be.
मैं इसकी हरगिज इजाजत नहीं दूंगा।
I would never allow that. I would never allow that.
तुम इसके पास जाओ और इसके बारे में बात करो।
You should go to him and talk about it. You should go to him and talk about it.
मुझे उनके साथ काम करने में कोई एतराज नहीं है।
I don't mind working with them. I don't mind working with them.
वो सूरत हाल पर गौर कर रहा था।
He seemed to ponder the situation. He seemed to ponder the situation.
मेरा दिल हैरानी से धड़क रहा था।
My heart pounded with shock. My heart pounded with shock.
ये वो नहीं था जिसकी मुझे तवक्को थी।
It wasn't what I expected. It wasn't what I expected.
मैं उलझन में था कि क्या करूं।
I was confused about what to do. I was confused about what to do.